Hello everyone. I went ahead and I've changed the alternator on the car. I opted not to shoot video because I really didn't feel like it, and there was much cussing. Anyway, I got a few things to button up and then I'll test fire it. Okie dokie, so here we go. I got the tire back on. We shall fire it up. And that's what we're looking for right there. Sweet. Means all the hard work was worth it, at least for another 6 months or so. Anyway, I'm going to put my tools away and go back in and enjoy a glass of ice water. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't, do subscribe. It's free to you guys and helps me a lot. So I will see you later.